Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 Honda CL250, a motorcycle that combines legendary heritage with cutting-edge technology, redefining what a classic-style bike can be in the modern era. Whether you're a seasoned rider, a motorcycle enthusiast, or someone curious about what Honda has in store for the future of two-wheelers, this comprehensive look will give you all the details you need about the 2026 Honda CL250. As one of Honda's most iconic models, the CL series has a storied history dating back to the late 1960s, symbolizing versatility, ruggedness, and minimalist design. The 2026 version aims to honor that legacy while innovating with advanced features, sophisticated engineering, and sustainable powertrains. So, without further ado, let's embark on this detailed exploration of the 2026 Honda CL250. To truly appreciate the significance of the 2026 Honda CL250, it's essential to understand its roots. The original Honda CL series emerged during the late 1960s and early 1970s. These bikes were known for their rugged, scrambler-inspired styling, lightweight design, and reliable performance. Bikes like the CL350 and CL450 became symbols of adventure and resilience, capable of handling both city streets and off-road trails. Throughout the decades, the CL series maintained its reputation for simplicity, durability, and versatility. Honda's commitment to engineering excellence and customer satisfaction cemented its place in motorcycle history. The CL250, in particular, gained popularity in the 1970s as an accessible, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-handle model suitable for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Fast forward to the 2020s, and Honda begins to celebrate this heritage with renewed vigor. The 2026 Honda CL250 represents a modern reinterpretation, blending vintage aesthetics with contemporary technology for a new generation of riders. The visual design of the 2026 Honda CL250 pays homage to its classic ancestors while incorporating modern touches. You'll notice the iconic round headlamp with a LED ring for a vintage yet contemporary look. The lighting system features LED signals and taillights, ensuring high visibility and energy efficiency. The fuel tank retains a minimalist, slightly tapered form, with subtle knee indents for rider comfort and style. It holds approximately 15 liters of fuel, enough for extended city commutes and light adventures. The side panels are clean, with subtle branding and a nod to retro aesthetics through textured paint options, including matte, gloss, and vintage color schemes reminiscent of the original CL models. The seat is designed for comfort and practicality, with a flat profile that offers ample room for both rider and passenger. The saddle height is optimized at around 785 mm, 30.9 inches, making it accessible to a broad range of riders, including beginners. The frame uses lightweight yet durable materials, with a modern T.